Kendall homeowners know that staying cool and comfortable is a top priority in Florida's tropical climate. With year-round heat, high humidity, and strong sunlight, your windows play a major role in how hard your air conditioning has to work, and how much you spend on energy bills. Energy-efficient vinyl windows are one of the smartest upgrades you can make to improve home comfort, reduce cooling costs, and protect your interior from heat and moisture. Here's how these modern windows help keep Kendall homes cool and comfortable throughout every season. Superior heat resistance for Florida's hot climate. Vinyl windows are naturally resistant to heat, making them a popular choice for Kendall homeowners looking to reduce temperature buildup indoors. Unlike aluminum or older window materials that conduct heat, vinyl frames are poor heat conductors, which helps keep outdoor temperatures from entering your home. Benefits include less heat transfer, more stable indoor temperatures, reduced strain on your HVAC system, lower cooling costs during hotter months. This built-in heat resistance makes vinyl ideal for Florida homes exposed to constant sunshine. Energy-efficient glass options that block UV and solar heat. One of the biggest advantages of modern vinyl windows is the variety of energy-efficient glass options available. These upgrades significantly reduce how much heat enters your home while still allowing plenty of natural light. Top energy-saving glass features include low E coatings. Thin layers of metallic coating reflect solar heat while keeping your interior bright. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass add insulation and reduce heat transfer. Argon gas fills the gas placed between panes, acts as an additional thermal barrier. These features work together to block harmful UV rays, prevent heat gain, and make your Kendall home easier to keep cool year-round. Tight seals that keep cool air inside. Vinyl windows are designed with durable, weather-tight seals that prevent outside air from sneaking into your home and conditioned air from escaping. With Kendall's humidity and warm breezes, this airtight performance is essential. Strong seals help reduce drafts, maintain consistent cooling, prevent moisture intrusion, improve overall indoor comfort. This is especially important during the peak of summer when any air leakage can make your AC work overtime. Moisture resistance helps prevent warping and damage. Florida humidity can wreak havoc on traditional window materials. Wooden frames may swell or rot, and metal frames can corrode or develop condensation issues. Vinyl windows, however, are naturally moisture resistant, making them the ideal choice for Kendall's humid climate. Vinyl frames offer no warping or swelling, no rot or decay, minimal condensation issues, long-lasting durability. This resistance ensures that your windows stay functional, attractive, and energy efficient for many years. Reduced maintenance with long-term performance. Busy homeowners in Kendall appreciate that vinyl windows require very little upkeep. Because they resist moisture, sunlight, and weather-related wear, vinyl windows stay in great condition with basic cleaning. Low maintenance advantage includes no painting or staining, no rust or corrosion, long-lasting color and finish, minimal cleaning required. This makes vinyl windows a convenient choice for homeowners who want comfort and efficiency without heavy upkeep. Better indoor comfort and lower utility bills. The combined benefits of insulated glass, tight seals, and heat-resistant materials translate into noticeable improvements in comfort and energy savings. Vinyl windows help maintain a cooler indoor environment, even during Florida's hottest months. Homeowners experience less reliance on air conditioning, reduced monthly utility costs, better indoor airflow and comfort, a more energy-efficient home overall. Over time, these savings often offset the cost of installing new vinyl windows. A smart upgrade for Kendall homes. Energy-efficient vinyl windows are one of the best investments Kendall homeowners can make. They offer superior performance in hot, humid climates and help keep your home cool, bright, and comfortable year-round. Whether you're updating outdated windows or building a more energy-efficient home, vinyl windows deliver the durability, insulation, and convenience needed to thrive in Florida's tropical weather. If you're ready to improve comfort and reduce energy bills, upgrading to vinyl windows is a smart, long-term solution for your Kendall home.